Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the 2020 Redmi Smart Band launch. Let's find out. What's your score? Begin by choosing your player. Let's begin.
Oh yeah! We know Redmi is good at tech, but what about style? That's awesome. Nice! But wait, what's this?
That's the all-new Redmi Smart Band. You can pair it using the Xiaomi Wear app on your phone.
Sweet. Let's try it on. Whoa, that's super light.
Yes, only 13 grams.
That display looks great.
The Redmi Smart Band houses a 1.08-inch full-touch color display. Click to customize display.
Ooh, really nice. Beautiful. Wait, that's the one. Stylish and informative, just the way I like it.
Pick a color.
I really like this one. And this one. This too. This one's my favorite.
Achievement unlocked. Your Redmi Smart Band now comes with USB direct charging. Battery lasts 14 full days with round-the-clock usage. Enjoy the upgrade.
Alright, let's take this baby out for a spin.
Advancing to level 2. Activity and fitness.
Welcome to the Streetball Arena. We are the Redmi Smart Band Ballers. And before we get our game on, we like to get our jam on. The Redmi Smart Band is built to track your performance 24/7 with a continuous heart rate monitor that ensures the right level of energy every time. And a step tracker to keep you on your toes and achieve more. Whoa, looks like I've burned up all my energy. Let's see how much. Better re-energize. The Redmi Smart Band also comes with water resistance up to 50 meters. So no sweat when it comes to water. Whatever your game is, the Redmi Smart Band tracks it easily.
Emergency mission incoming. Player 3 has a meeting in 10 minutes. Would you like to enable idle alert? Would you like to try again?
Oh, wow. How long was I out for? Let me see my notifications. Work email. New meme. Mom messaged. Meeting? What? Time to get into super productivity mode. First, let's set up a timer. Go, go, go. Oh no, the boss is calling. Gotta get to this meeting. Made it.
Level complete. Congratulations. You have unlocked all the features of the Redmi Smart Band.
When it comes to style, the Redmi Smart Band has it all. 1.08-inch full-touch color display, 50+ watch faces, straps in blue, black, green and orange, USB direct charging, 14-day battery life. That means it's a part of my outfit of the day, every day.
The Redmi Smart Band can only help improve your game with music control, a continuous heart rate monitor, step and calorie tracker, and water resistance up to 5 ATM. Any court becomes home turf.
The Redmi Smart Band makes you work harder, better, and faster than ever before. Thanks to its idle alerts, app notifications, caller ID, alarm, and timer settings. There's nothing it can't do. Oh, also, it tells you the time.
Press the button to reveal the release information. The Redmi Smart Band will be available on 9 September on Mi.com, Mi Home, Amazon, and offline partners. Are you sure you want to drop the price? The Redmi Smart Band will be available for only 1599 rupees. Now, the only question is, what's your score?